Welcome to Health and Fitness with a new video. In today's video we will show you side effects of flax seed. So watch the video till the end to get proper information. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now let's begin. The alpha-linolenic acid ALA and the fiber content of flax seeds are responsible for their health benefits. That has anti-inflammatory and antithrombotic, anti-clotting properties. In addition to the beneficial nutrients, flax seeds also contain certain molecules called antinutrients. These antinutrients form toxic intermediates in your body and prevent the absorption of minerals. How can flax seeds be harmful? Extensive research has shown the presence of antinutrients in flax seeds. Antinutrients are molecules that may have adverse effects on your health. Cyanogenic glycosides and phytic acid are the most abundant antinutrients found in these seeds. Excess consumption of flax seeds can further enhance the adverse effects of antinutrients. These can lead to side effects. Overconsumption of flax seeds can cause bloating, gas, stomach ache, and nausea. There are also several chronic problems associated with flax seed intake. 1. May cause an allergic reaction. Like other nuts and seeds, flax seeds and flax seed oil can act as allergens. As per anecdotal evidence, the seeds may cause skin rashes and severe constipation. In a study on children, certain food products containing flax seeds caused skin rashes, vomiting, and a tingling sensation. 2. May increase bleeding. Flax seeds contain high levels of omega-3 fatty acids. These fatty acids are vital for the proper functioning of the brain, heart, and body. However, they may also cause bleeding disorders. Through direct research is limited, some studies link the disorders to omega-3 fatty acids, which flax seeds are rich in. Omega-3 fatty acids are known to slow down blood clotting and increase bleeding. They inhibit the aggregation of blood platelets, which is a crucial step in the formation of a blood clot. 3. May lead to fiber overload and constipation. Flax seeds are rich in dietary fiber. Sudden overconsumption of these seeds increases the fiber load in your body. Too much fiber can clog your stomach and intestines. You may experience stomach ache, cramps, and constipation in such cases. Insufficient water intake may also worsen your condition. Eating small portions of flax seeds with sufficient water is the right way to go. 4. May increase cancer risk. Research is unclear in this regard. Flax seeds are rich in phytoestrogens. In studies, phytoestrogens did not show any protective effect against prostate cancer. Some believe the lignans and phytoestrogens present in flax seeds may increase the risk of prostate cancer, although more studies are required to understand this mechanism. What is the safe dosage of flax seeds? It is recommended to consume about 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds, or 1 tablespoon of flaxseed oil every day to reap its health benefits. Having 9 to 10 grams or 1 tablespoon of these seeds a day can provide the required levels of ALAS. You can use flax seeds to make baked goods, energy bars, granola bars, gums, and thickeners. But remember to drink enough water, 2 to 4 liters per day at least, to prevent the side effects of these seeds. To avoid such issues, eat small portions of flax seeds. Hydrate your body well, and beware of drug interactions. Consult your healthcare provider to understand their dosage and safety. Share your opinion in the comment below. If you're new on the channel, then do subscribe the channel. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, be sure to subscribe our channel, because more incredible content on the way. Thank you for watching Health and Fitness.